Shopping malls, transforming retail experience and beyond. Shopping malls have become an integral part of modern urban life, redefining the retail landscape and providing an exciting shopping experience like never before. These bustling complexes offer a diverse range of products, services, and entertainment options, making them a favorite destination for shoppers of all ages. In this article, we'll delve into the world of shopping malls, exploring their evolution, benefits, impact on economies, sustainability efforts, future prospects, and more. Shopping malls are large retail spaces that house multiple stores, brands, restaurants, and entertainment facilities under one roof. They have grown in popularity since their inception due to the convenience and delightful experience they offer to shoppers. Today, shopping malls are not merely places to shop, they are social hubs that cater to a variety of needs. The concept of shopping malls. The concept of shopping malls traces back to ancient marketplaces and bazaars, but the modern version began taking shape in the early 20th century. The idea was to create a one-stop destination where people could find everything they needed without having to visit different locations. Evolution and growth of shopping malls. Shopping malls saw a significant surge in the latter half of the 20th century, and they continue to evolve to keep up with consumer demands. From small suburban malls to expansive mega malls, the industry has witnessed impressive growth over the years. The benefits of shopping malls. Convenience and variety. One of the primary reasons people flock to shopping malls is the convenience they offer. With a wide array of stores and products, shoppers can find everything they need in one place, saving time and effort. Entertainment and leisure options. Beyond shopping, malls provide a host of entertainment options like movie theaters, arcades, indoor play areas, and recreational facilities. This makes them attractive destinations for families and friends to spend quality time together. Social gathering spaces. Shopping malls have become community centers where people come together to socialize, dine, and attend events. They provide a sense of belonging and serve as spaces for cultural celebrations and gatherings. Job opportunities. The establishment of shopping malls generates numerous job opportunities, from sales associates to managerial positions, contributing positively to the economy. Impact on local economies. Shopping malls play a pivotal role in boosting local economies. They attract visitors from surrounding areas, driving foot traffic to nearby businesses and restaurants. Additionally, they generate tax revenue that can be invested in local infrastructure and services. Sustainability in shopping malls. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability in shopping mall operations. Many malls are adopting eco-friendly practices, such as using renewable energy, implementing recycling programs, and promoting sustainable fashion. The future of shopping malls. Technological advancements. The future of shopping malls lies in embracing technology to enhance the customer experience. From interactive displays to augmented reality, malls are incorporating cutting-edge tech to engage shoppers. Experiential retail. Malls are shifting from a transactional approach to experiential retail, focusing on creating memorable moments for visitors. This includes immersive pop-up stores, live performances, and interactive exhibits. Challenges and competition. E-commerce influence. The rise of e-commerce has presented challenges for traditional brick-and-mortar stores, including shopping malls. To stay relevant, malls need to offer experiences that cannot be replicated online. Changing consumer behavior. The preferences and behavior of consumers are constantly evolving. Shopping malls must adapt to cater to the changing needs and expectations of their target audience. Tips for an enjoyable shopping mall experience. Planning ahead. Before heading to the mall, make a list of items you need to buy and plan your visit accordingly. Exploring different stores. Take the time to explore various stores to discover new products and brands. Trying out dining options. Enjoy the diverse culinary experiences offered by the mall's restaurants and food courts. Taking advantage of sales and offers. Keep an eye out for sales and discounts to make the most of your shopping trip. Conclusion. Shopping malls have revolutionized the way we shop, offering a multifaceted experience that goes beyond retail therapy. As they continue to evolve and adapt, they remain an integral part of our social and economic fabric, catering to the diverse needs of consumers.